Hello guys, this is God's Power. So today I'm going to show you step by step how you can make free money online. I want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. So let us get started right now. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can make $3, $5, up to $10. Even you can increase it to $100 if you put more effort. So I'm going to show you step by step on how this method works. So let us head over to this website that is called Curiouscatapp. It's an application. You can install it on your smartphone and use it safely. So as you can see, this application will pay you on paper. You can see on the screen here $3.94 that those persons have received by just using this application. So how does this application work? How it works is by how installing application, using a software, or taking a survey online, you are going to be making money. So if it sounds so good to you, I want you to watch this video to the end and you will be making money at the end of the day. So when you see here, you see answer a survey in cash. No nonsense. Get the app now and start making money. You can see the application is available on Google Play Store and is available on Apple Store. You can see the company that is featuring this application. You can see Claremont and Best and MSE, and you can see Save the Student, and you can see the Sun, and you can see Pick Me Up. So those are the company that is featuring this website. You can see answer a survey, share your opinion, share your thought, and cash reward, and up to 200 points per task. Average time is 3 minutes, so you can just go average time 3 minutes of taking a survey and any 200 points. I know you'll be wondering how much per point. 1 point, I think 1 point is 1 cent. So if you have 100 points, you're having $100 on your you're having $1 on your account. So yeah, you can see the redeeming option is paper, and you can see their review on Trustpilot is 5 star, and you can go and check it out in that area. So that is everything you need to know about this application that is called Curiouscatapp. So let us move to the next application that you can use to make money online. So I showed you how you can make money with Curiouscatapp, and you can receive your money on your paper account. So it's very simple. Install the application and start using it to make free money online. So if you click on how it works, I already told you, install it and add a profile. Once you install it, you have to register with your phone number, register with your name, and that is all you need. Then complete task, and step 5, you are going to be earning money. And how many steps is it? Step 1 is to install it. Step 2 is to add a profile, like an image for on your account. And step 2 is to complete task. Step 4 is to endpoint. And step 5, which is to redeem your money into your paper account. So you can redeem your money at any time. You see what I told you? Say we have used less than currency exchange rate. So you can see that 100 points is $1, like I told you, and that is all you just need to know about this application. So let us move to the next application that you can use to make money online. So the next application we are going to talk about is called Honeygain. Honeygain is a very simple application that pays you $5 for just signing up. So once you sign up on Honeygain, they pay you $5 for signing up. This is what will pop up. You can see on the screen. You say new to Honeygain. Here is a $5 gift. Join Honeygain and receive $5 for free. Register and get $5. So yeah, you register, you get $5 on Trustpilot. You can see that they have almost four star plus, and you can see what they do on this application. And how it works is that you install it on your smartphone or on your computer or on your Mac. And once you install it, register your account and make sure you allow the application to run on your computer or on your smartphone background, and you are going to be making free money. So that is how it works. Allow it to run on your computer background and you are going to be making money. Step 1, you need to register. Step 2, you need to verify your account. They will send you an email. Step 3 is to start earning money. You don't need to do anything on Honeygain. You just allow the software or the application to run on your computer background, and you are going to be making free money. So how much can you cash out on Honeygain? Is $20. So you need to have minimum amount of $20 to cash out your money. So you can increase your monthly estimate earning. You can increase it here. You can estimate your earning on Honeygain, and you can increase how much data you spend on Honeygain, and that is how much you are going to be making money daily. So depends on you, depend on your computer speed, depend on your internet speed. That is how Honeygain works. So you just need to go and start using Honeygain. Their payment method, how do you get your money? So don't worry about that. Their payment method is PayPal, so don't worry. You can see here they pay you. Say get paid. User earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payout in PayPal or Bitcoin. So that is how you can receive your money, either PayPal or Bitcoin. Enter your PayPal email address and they will send you the money. Enter your Bitcoin address, they will send you the money. So that is it. So go and start using Honeygain from today. So let me say you want to go to your dashboard. If I click on go to dashboard, this is my dashboard. It will take me, it could ask me to log into my account. So let me log in so that you see my account on the home page of my own personal account. So as you can see, I have just logged in. So this is how it will run. It will be running on your computer background. You can see at the top, you can see Windows, you can see Apple Store. You can see, yes, you can see Mac, you can see Android. So you can see iPhone and Android, and you can see that you can still use it on your computer. And you can see I have been referring people, and I have been making money with this application, which is Honeygain. So you need to go and start using Honeygain from today. So we are going to head over to the last application of the day. So let me head over to the last application of the day so that you can know how to make more money if you want to increase your money, or if you want to do other things on your social media account. So on this next step, we are going to talk about this application that is called Admefast. So how Admefast works is that you watch videos, you like pictures on social media's account, you get points, and you can convert that point into cash. How you can convert the points into cash is to do shout out on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. And when you do shout out on Facebook, on YouTube, people will pay you money, and you will now start using that money for anything you want. So you can come here, get more points, and go and tell people that, okay, I can send you traffic, I can send you followers, I can send you subscribers, I can send you anything. And once you start doing that, you are going to be making money. As you can see, the application Admefast have been around since 2000, not, I don't really know the year they started, but you can see at the top there, they are saying it's around since 10 years ago. So which is a cool website. You can see here they do advertisement. You can do advertisement on this website and pay them money, and they send you traffic. Or you can do the free one, watch videos, and you get points, and you can sell your point for cash. So many people are doing that. All you just need to do now is to go and start selling your point, and you are going to be making money with this application, which is called Admefast. You can find it on web. I think they don't have the application yet now. I think very soon they will have their own application, but right now, currently, they don't have application. They only have it on web, which is on, you can find it on your Google web, or you can search for it on your internet. Search for it anywhere, and you are going to be prompt on the website, and that is how you will now sign up. To sign up is very simple. Your email and your email account and your phone number and your name. That is all you just need, and you will be signed up. You have your account, and you start making money with this method. So the method is very, very simple. Like I said, all you do is to watch videos, install application, Do more offers, watch video, like people post on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you are going to be getting points for doing this. Later, you are going to set that point for cash. So that is how it works. It's very, very simple. Watch videos, watch more videos, and get more points to learn to earn more money. So that is it. Let me say you can have like 200 points, and you can say that 200 points for $10 for just completely free. So you see that you are making money for shout out. People are ready to pay you money to share their company, to share their product, to share the offers or their the services that they are offering. They are ready to pay you money to go and advertise it for them. So why can't you do this and make free money in this aspect? So I will end the video from here. This is God's Power. Don't forget again to follow me on my Instagram, I am God's Power. On Facebook, I am God's Power. On Twitter, I am God's Power. I'll say bye bye from here. Don't forget to check out my website, www.ugodspower.com, and check it out to see my blogs and things that is going on my personal website. I blog daily. Go and check my blog out so that you learn more way on how you can make free money online. I'll say bye bye from here and peace. See you soon. A way on how you